Crime Big League doing a review of this trail hunting camera, and you could see from this view it has like 46 infrared lights which can capture objects, light up objects at 20 meters away, and you could set it to less intense to about 10 meters and then 5 meters afterwards. It's as in objects within 1 to 5 meters, and then the other one is from 5 to 10. So you notice that it has 1, 2, 3 motion detectors or infrared detectors that actually pick up the temperature of the animal that passes by, so it actually can see motion based on that. It has a very low load time of 0.2 seconds to boot up and then to start recording the video. Let me just open this up. Notice that there's a place where you can put in a padlock. Open this up, and this is what it looks like. You can put in 4 batteries to operate, or you can put in all 8 to have up to 8 months of standby time. It has comes with an AV cable. You put this in here, so then you can broadcast this onto your television and run the replays off that. Micro SD slide comes with a 32 gig micro SD from Kingston. It's a pretty fast SD card, fast enough to capture the video here. It comes with a micro USB charger as well, but this is very common. I don't need this. One of the great things I like about this is not only it has a nylon cord to wrap this around a tree, but also gives you the option to screw this on, as in you nail this to a wall or nail it to a tree, and this is a tripod mount which can fit at the bottom. Also, if you want to have extra or unlimited power, you could put this into a powered adapter as well, which is not included. So, but it is an option. I'm going to show you what it looks like now, through the lens and through the audio recording that of this camera. So switching over to now on test. Okay, this is the test shot of the trail camera with the lights out, and you'll see that the infrared has kicked in. And this is set at near because the infrared will be very bright otherwise. You can see it's not too bad in terms of curvature, as in the fisheye look. It's actually quite wide, and you can see the spotlight of the infrared. Here's my cat. He's about a meter away. If I were to zoom in, let's see what happens. Not zoom in, if I walk in closer to him. So you can see you could pick off the details of his fur. It's quite amazing. It's actually quite good. As I'm moving away, of course it changes the exposure, and they're trying to readjust. And this is the actual audio from the camera recorded. It's actually quite clear. So overall, I think it's quite sharp. This is only 720p, by the way, at 30 frames per second. At 1080p, it's going to shoot at 25 frames per second. So there will probably be some motion blur. So I prefer this.